In this video, I will show you how to send USDT to MetaMask from Bybit. So after you open up now your MetaMask like this, now tap on this plus button. After you tap on this plus button, now tap on this search and copy the USDT address. So search for USDT like this. So from this option now you can see USDT. So select the USDT. After you select the USDT, tap on this next button to import the USDT. Tap on this import. Now here is USDT in my MetaMask account. So now tap on the USDT. So now tap on this receive button to copy the address. Now here is my address. Now tap on this copy to copy the USDT address from MetaMask. After you copy the address, now go back and open up now your Bybit. After you open your Bybit like this, now go to asset in Bybit. So scroll to down and go to this withdraw. So from this option now go and select USDT. After you select USDT, now go and paste in the address that you copy from MetaMask. So here is now my address. So scroll to down and tap on this to select the network. So it is Ethereum network. After you select the network, now scroll to down and specify the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 5 USDT. So from now if I tap on this scroll to down, so now if you scroll to down, if you now tap on this withdraw button, now the USDT will be sent into my MetaMask account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.